Welcome, in front of me is HP Stream 14, and in this video I will show you how to check battery health on this laptop. To check your general battery health, you have to open the start menu, then search for CMD application, open it, then in the following window input powercfg spacebar / battery report command, then run it by pressing enter, and you will get a path like this that you have to copy by selecting it and right clicking on it. Then you can open this file by either entering your file explorer or your web browser and pasting this path into your path field. Select the program you want to open this file with, and here you'll get the battery report for your device. And in this battery report you can check the full information about your battery, like usage history, usage graphs, and basically the most detailed information you can get about your battery. But the main information that interests us is the design capacity and full charge capacity. So the design capacity is the original capacity with which this laptop was shipped here, and the full charge capacity is the current capacity of the battery. So as you could have guessed, the full charge capacity goes lower over time, and this way laptop's battery gets worse because it works less time. And as you can see right now, these two numbers are equal. That means that this laptop's battery is fully healthy, but once this number starts going lower, the battery quality will also go lower, and over time this battery will start discharging faster. And that's how you check your device's battery health. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.